back, head back, neck back. Only in Jamaica. He said that. Foot bottom, belly bottom, bottom. In Jamaica, we have more than one. Reverse back, circle back. Imagine that. But Jamaican understand that. Blow.
Queer.
Rotted. Box cover. When we cuss, but we still sound proper. Only in Jamaica, nowhere else. Bigger man.
Wow.
Smaller percent. Only in Jamaica, nowhere else. Little man, big up yourself. Every Chinaman, name is a chin. Every white somebody, name Whitey. Everybody with long hair, have pretty hair. Every Indian, name Coolie. When Jamaicans send picnic go wash up plates, that's a whole lot for 10 people eat and drink, not to mention the dirty pot. When a Jamaican mother say, I'm gonna kill you with lick. You better say a prayer. Them a beat you and I tell you, shut up your mouth. You get none for ball for. Everybody in Jamaica a celebrity. Not even Hollywood have so much star. Yo, star! Wagwan star. But there ain't no star. He's in a star. Millie's sister dead last night in a star. All her wig drop off. Me sit down at the corner and give you a star and she kill herself and laugh. Jamaica nice, but the justice system too corrupt. Only in a Jamaica, brother kill brother and no man no get locked up. Yes, my dear, you never hear from Wappy kill Philip. Yeah man, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandrama.